Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 27 update stuck on estimating time remaining. So guys, if you're trying to download and install the latest version of iOS 27 beta but you are facing this problem and you are unable to download and install the latest update, that is iOS 27 beta, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage and make sure that there is enough space for you to download and install the latest version of the software, or you have to simply delete the useless data from your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly, or change your internet connection and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to general and then go to date and time and set your date and time from here. Go back and go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Again, go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. Again, go back and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So I do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply wait for some time, and after this this problem will be automatically fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.